I just woke up. Look at but I just woke up and my sister and my mom are leaving to the airport to go hop on like a little plane, a little jet, and they're gonna fly over to Oahu because my sister got a letter in the mail. She applied to Hawaii, the college in Oahu, to be a rainbow warrior, to go to that college, and she got accepted. So right now they're going to check out that school, and I told them to get some shots and all that, record a bunch of stuff. I don't know, we'll see if they do, but that's pretty cool. I guess they're going just to go check that out, and she might go to school there. They took the car, my sister and my mom, they took the car, I guess, when they were flying, or when they're going to the airport. So they have all our stuff. They have our fins, all of our snorkeling stuff, our chairs, his spear, and like everything we need today. So I don't know, we'll see what else we're gonna do today.
They can't, just with their time. They said they can leave our stuff at like any mile marker or anything, and I could Uber to it. So that doesn't sound like a possible plan. Even if I called an Uber at the moment now.
I hate to have it.
I just don't understand where you would leave all that. Yeah.
Pick it up. Like if you left it, then another car would come by, just pick it up and jam.
Yeah.
All right. Well, what else can we do?
It's our last full day in Maui. It's day 6, I think. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be leaving at noon, and we're gonna go back to Woodland. So we're gonna try to make as much of the day as we can. It's a really nice day. We're going to breakfast right now, Slappy Cakes, place we were at a while ago. And I'm watching Roman Atwood's vlog right now. He's in Maui also, and he's at the same spot we were at just a couple days ago, and I'm real mad because if he wasn't there 2 days ago, I could have met him. The girls took the car, so we have to walk everywhere unless we're gonna Uber.
We're gonna Uber.
Yeah, so right now,
Uber Maui.
Right now we're just walking to the Slappy Cakes.
Slappy Cakes.
What are you gonna get?
Make it a.
I think I'm gonna go for this. I have no idea what it is, but it looks good. Mocha?
Yeah.
We just got an Uber because we don't have the car. My brother said it's like a minute away, so we're just waiting for the Uber. We're probably gonna go to Front Street over there and go find, what's it called, Dad? Banyan trees? What's it called? What'd you say? Banyan. We're gonna go see those banyan trees.
I have 2 friends that live here. My actual original roommate from San Diego, she moved here.
Oh, okay.
And
This is one tree. That's what I was gonna say. Is this just like all attached or what? Crazy. Is that just the center of it right there?
There's the center.
Right there.
Actually, it might be. Well, no, that's the center. Yeah. And look at how it.
So this place is like, all of these trees are just one tree. Like this tree right here is the center, I think. It's branched out and made vines and attached and branched off and made all these little trees. all around him. So it's pretty much just one tree, right, Dad? Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool, and it's huge. It's this whole park. It's giant.
Once in a lullaby, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly.
This is the marina right next to the banyan tree. So this is cool, just beach and all the boats. Hey, look at the cannons. That's awesome.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.
So each one of these is like a private company that offers different things you can do out. Like there's the whale watcher guys, there's some big sport fishing dudes, and then you can take a little sub out, and it doesn't really go underwater, but you sit below the water.
Ooh, someday wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I? Oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drops.
That guy's making tikis back there.
They'll have new kids by that time, right? And that makes that, yeah. Ah, yeah.
High above the chimney top, that's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dreams that you dare to, why, oh why can't I? Ooh,
the beach right now, right next to our hotel, and can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it's starting to rain. So I was pretty much swimming in the rain. It was really cool. They told me to get out and let's go because it's starting to rain. They didn't want to wait in the rain for me, so we're going back to the hotel. That was pretty fun. I just swam for a little bit. And just right next to the sunset's right there. I think I already said, but that was cool too.